Hello guys, welcome back to SkillsTechy channel. This would be our third tutorial of Python programming. So in the last class we have learned about the how to store variable in Python, and we tried to get input from user and we stored in a Python. Like you can see here number, and we input what is your favorite number, and when we print the number it gives us the 7 which we have entered our favorite number. Now we'll try to add a string to the answered received. So how can we do that? Like enter your name and I am going to use my name here. If I print that is Ravi, and if a mistake here, we have given the name as an input. Yeah, that was a mistake. And if we enter, you can see it is giving the hi Ravi. Okay, so far we have learned how to also get input from a user and store a necessary variable. And in the previous video you understood how to declare a variable in Python. Now let's use the variable to make a small application that can calculate the age of a person in months. Let's start. Okay, let me mark a comment here. Let's use the variables to make a small. So we are here to trying to make an application that can calculate the age of person in month. Okay, how we do that? We'll follow the same exercise or the same basic knowledge which we have already get. Okay, so what we have to calculate? Age input. Okay, enter your age. Now if we one second, if we do this print, here we define the user age. Okay, so you are I have given a space here. It will tell you why I have given a space here. So in the question I have to one second, I have to calculate the age of person in month, so I will give the input here month old. Okay, now here what we do in the previous exercise, as we have learned about the how to print this $sign multiple of 10, so we'll give the code like that, print dollar and multiple of 10 asterisk of 10. So the same exercise will follow here. Age asterisk of why asterisk of 12. Why we are doing this? Because the age will multiply that age to the 12 to get the month age. So we have to print age of user in month, but we have received the age of user in year. So we have received the age of user in year. Now we have to calculate it into the month. So as you can see, these are a text. So we have put all these into the double quotation, and same goes with the month old. So these are the text. So these are the string, and we'll not put this into the quotation as it containing the number. Okay, and also the asterisk part. So you can see here we have not did this here also. Now if we print, if we run this, so it will ask for the age, let's say 32, and if I enter this, it will give us, okay, you are 32, 32, 32, 32. Oh, okay, here we did some mistake. So we multiply the age by 12 months, but age is our input into the this string mode. Okay, these are the text. So when you multiply the string with any number, it will give you the multiplication of that. So same the problem with the age also. Age is now a string form. Age is now into the string form. So what we'll do here, we'll add a function here. We'll convert age into integer form. So and age. Now let's see what it gives us. The 32, enter. Now you are 384 month old. Okay, so I hope it is clear now, and if in case of any question or any doubt, you can comment, you can ask. In the next video I'll try to cover it. I also, and please to learn more about the Python programming, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for new videos so that you will be aware of that. Thank you very much. Bye bye, have a nice day.